Hello, good afternoon. Ito tayo ngayon sa opisina namin. Ito yung
Hello!
receptionist, Miss Lea.
Yes.
Lea Lobangco.
Wow.
Ano naman yung ano ko? Mr. Sulaiman. This is the reception. Yan, yan. Yun ako galing sa pinto. Ito yung machine namin. This is the atmosphere of the reception.
Hello, Philippines.
Receptionist of the month. Ito yung order and purchasing. Oh, kaway naman dyan. Oh, Renan, nakaputi. Ryan. Okay, thank you. And Mr. Waldo. Ayan. Ito yung crib ko. Mr. JR, the accounting. This is my Rubik's. My table. My table, my tea. My computer. And my Rubik's. Yon, the Rubik's Cube. Yan, labas tayo ulit sa my crib. This is my crib. This is my boss office. Ito yan. Ito yan. It's the section of the accounting.
Hi.
Miss Accountant, dalawa. Saan si JR? Hello, sir.
Enough picture.
Huh?
Destroy your mobile.
Mr. Sulaiman.
Just look.
Yeah. Let's look.
Kunyari busy. Busy sa YouTube. Busy sa
Ito yung finance department, sarado. Ito yung kanina, opisina ng Mr. Sulaiman. Ito yung purchasing, sales department. This is my boss's office, just like I said kanina. Yun, sila kanina. Yun. Doon ako sa engineering department. The closing department. Ayun. Ito si production manager, Mr. Ted. Busy yan, busy. Daming projects. Mr. Joel.
Hi. Hi, Philippines.
Wala dito yung may-ari na opisina ito eh. Nasa labas. Opisina ni Bossing.
Nag-aanap tayo.
Sa likod si Waldo. Busy yan, busy. Mayroon. Ito yung pinto papuntang factory. This is the factory. Ito yung polishing. Dito magpapolish ng mga salamin. Polishing, yan. Maingay masyado. Yan yung cutting. Busy mga yung mag-cut. Busy sila. Ito yung incoming glasses. Walang laman, crack. Matipmat to. Tempering. Yan, after tempering, ulit to double glazing. Then round edge sandblasting. Lex! Yeah, Mr. Alex. Balik tayo sa loob. Dali na ko yan niya. Balik tayo sa loob. Of course, yours truly. Before. Mr. Ryan? Naman. And here we went. This is my Rubik's. See you see you on the next episode of Rubik's. So this is the entire office. Kata diba? So again, see you on the next episode of Rubik's.